Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you our latest MEMS accelerometer, which are AC217 and AC220 that are designed for structural health monitoring and vibration monitoring. Before we start, here's the outline for this video. Spec, feature, accessories, pin configuration, housing, installation. We provide two models for user to choose from. AC217 is suitable for dynamic range of 104 dB, while AC220 is suitable for dynamic range of 138 dB. Here's the specification comparison between AC217 and AC220. AC217 and AC220 have supports Ethernet PoE, NTP for time synchronization, built-in web GUI, and SanDisk software for data analysis. The configuration is accessible through its web interface. The user-friendly and plug-and-play feature allows user to perform business risk management, such as reducing factory damages, protecting employees, and perform damage assessment on residential buildings. Let's open it and check out all the parts shown in this image. You will see one accelerometer AC217, 3 Allen keys, a set of anchor screw, an Ethernet connector, and a pressure screw in this package. Here's an image of the pin configuration. You may follow this configuration for wiring. You can refer to the pinout as shown in this figure. The following figure demonstrates the joint and the definition of the foot for wire reference. Let's talk about the housing of AC217. It's an IP67 aluminum waterproof enclosure. It has a multifunction button with power icon which indicates power and switch features, and signal lamps by green, yellow, and red. Next, you will see 2 yellow level bubbles. It is used for installation purposes. The leveling bubble allows user to check the level of accelerometer. We want to keep the accelerometer position at a flat surface. This silver hole is the pressure screw hole. It is used to test AC217's water resistance. As you can see, there is a shield sign right next to a hole. If you want to make sure your accelerometer to have good shielding, you may connect the metal wire from here to the ground. Here's a friendly reminder. Before the installation, please remember to tighten pressure screw hole, adjusting the leveling screw to make sure the accelerometer is level and ready for use. Now, we move on to installation. Please refer to the picture regarding the orientation of northward. XYZ coordinate system. Z, X, Y. Finally, your AC217 is ready for monitoring. If you're interested in this product, please visit www.sanlian.com. For more information, please feel free to contact us at any time. Sanlian Technology, be the frontier of environmental monitoring.